Hello, my name is Riley Gross, and today I will be teaching you about gross profit. So right here is our script for our code explaining to us what gross profit is. So the first thing we're going to look at here is the equation for gross profit. So gross profit is revenue, or is equal to revenue minus COGS for short, which means cost of goods sold. So here we have an example, scrolling a little bit more down. We have a total revenue of 100,000. So revenue's pretty straightforward. Now cost of goods sold is just a tad bit more intricate. So scrolling down a little bit more, you can see that we have three things to look at here. One, beginning inventory, which is 15,000 in this example. Purchases, which is 60,000, and ending inventory, which is 30,000. Now, to calculate our total cost of goods sold, we first want to add together the amount for beginning inventory and purchases. So once we have calculated that, we will then subtract our ending inventory from that. So now, in this example, that would be 60,000 plus 15,000 for the beginning inventory plus purchases, which is 75,000. Then we're going to subtract 30,000 from that, which would give us 45,000. And then scrolling back up a little and looking at our gross profit, we should have 100,000, as in the revenue right here, minus that 45,000 that we just calculated was our total cost of goods sold. So here I'm going to run our code and see if what I just explained was correct. Yep, so as you can see, we have 100,000 minus 45,000, and it is going to give us 55,000. So here it lists all of the important things that the script needed to plug in, and then we got the correct gross profit. So basically this tells us that gross profit is the final amount of money that a business is going to make. You have all the money that they made and then minus anything that basically they paid for. So in this example, $55,000 is the exact amount of money that this company or whoever was doing the transaction made. Thank you for listening.